हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माई सेल्फ अमन काकने। आज हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में इंपॉर्टेंट नेम रिएक्शन सीखेंगे। इसमें सबसे फर्स्ट है एस्टरिफिकेशन। इट मीन्स फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ईस्टर, ईस्टर का बनना। सबसे पहले कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड रिएक्ट विथ अल्कोहल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंसनट्रेट H2SO4, they form ester. Explain with example. Acetic acid react with ethanol in the presence of concentrate H2SO4, in which hydrogen atom of ethanol and OH group of acid eliminate and form water. Remaining part form ester CH3 CO O C2H5 ethyl ethanoate. IUPAC नेम ऑफ ester. सेकेंड हम बात करेंगे डाउस प्रोसेस, इन विच क्लोरोबेंजीन react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of 350 degrees Celsius and 200 atm pressure. They eliminate 2 molecule of NaCl and 1 molecule of water and form sodium phenoxide, which on acidifying they form phenol. थर्ड रिएक्शन है कोल्बी श्मिट रिएक्शन, इन विच सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड treated with carbon dioxide at 130 to 140 degrees Celsius under pressure, they form sodium salicylate. On acidifying they form salicylic acid. Now fourth reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, in which phenol react with chloroform in the presence of NaOH at approx 70 degrees Celsius. They form salicylaldehyde. Next, fifth reaction, Rosen-Moon reduction, in which acid chloride on reduction in the presence of lead and barium sulfate with xylene, they form aldehyde. Now sixth Stephen reaction, in which alkyl nitrile react with stannous chloride and HCl, they form imine. On hydrolysis they give corresponding aldehyde. This is Stephen reaction. Now seventh reaction, Gaterman Koch synthesis, in which benzene ring react with carbon monoxide and HCl in the presence of anhydrous LCl3 and form benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Gaterman-Koch synthesis. Now eighth reaction, Clemmensen reduction, one of the most important reaction of aldehyde and ketone, in which CO group of aldehyde or ketone convert into CH2 group. For example, when aldehyde on reduction with amalgamated zinc and HCl, the CO group convert into CH2 and they form alkane and remove water molecule. Another example for ketone, on reduction with amalgamated zinc and HCl, the CO group convert into alkyl CH2 group and form alkane. Next reaction, ninth, Wolff-Kishner reduction, it is same as Clemmensen reduction, in which CO group convert into CH2 group. For example, CH3 CO, CH3 ketone, acetone react with hydrazine, they remove a water molecule and form an intermediate compound. On again treatment with potassium hydroxide, on reduction they give alkane, propane and co-product N2 and